That's the sound is very
So
funny.
Sir, it start recording.
okay,
Yes, sir, it is
very
recorded.
good. So algebraic expressions. This is any kind of things. A, B, C, D. These are all variable. Suppose A, this is the variable. B, this also variable. X, this also variable. Z, this also variable. These are all variables. Okay. Suppose suppose I'm written x plus y. This is two terms, x and y. Two terms are there. So this is binomial with two variable. Two variables are there. Only I'm written x. Only I'm written x. This is one variable x. I'm written x square. This is one variable and monomial. One term, that is monomial. X square. This is also one variable. Monomial also. But this is key 2 degree. So for the expression we are taking the maximum is as the degree. Then suppose a square plus a minus 1. Now what is this? This is cubic polynomial. Cubic, that is 3. Cubic polynomial, but trinomial. This is trinomial. Trinomial. Because 1, 2, 3, 3 terms are there. Trinomial with degree 2. And how many variables are there? Only same variable a is there. So variable is 1. One variable. Now I'm written, tell me a plus a. What is this?
2a.
Sir, monomial.
This is monomial. Very good. This is monomial because after adding this becomes.
We have to
Because
simplify.
2a is
And now
which is monomial.
Sir, your copy.
I am written a plus b plus 2b. This also
Trinomial.
binomial.
Binomial.
Because
Binomial,
after adding this will be
Binomial.
a plus
Binomial.
3b. Now I am written a plus b
Binomial.
plus 2b square. Then what is this?
Binomial.
Sir, trinomial.
This is trinomial. This is
Sir.
trinomial. And
Sir,
yes,
sir, your copy is not half visible and the side is not
just
visible.
you rotate your mobile. Those are using the mobile as this, then the half will be cut, half portion will be cancelled. So if you are taking this mobile as this, then full visible. Just rotate your rotate option on kore dao, then you can see full. Now this is trinomial with two variable. Look, a and b, two variable. Okay, two variable with degree. Maximum degree is 2. Here the power is maximum power is 2. That is 2. Now I'm giving you one question that write an expression where a degree is 2, variable is 3 and term is equal to 5.
Sir, what is the term?
Term means how many 1, 2, 3 terms. This is 1 to binomial.
Okay,
This is
okay.
2 term. Trinomial
Sir,
means
con-
3 term.
Sir,
Okay.
constants mean degree.
Degree means power.
Can I say, sir, one example?
Okay, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, the example is suppose, sir, a square plus b plus c plus 5 plus 3 plus 2b.
Okay, tell me. Repeat. I slowly, please. A square.
Okay, sir. Sir, a square
Yes.
plus B
then
plus C.
then
As there is 3 variable. Sir, then plus we can will be writing 5, and then sir C square plus C square.
very good. So here ABC, and then are you all seeing the video?
Sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
see the video very clearly.
Okay,
Sir,
no.
but please move the notebook to see the
Yes.
full notebook.
A square plus B. Now I am written another one. Suppose a to the power, the degrees maximum power is degree is this plus a square plus b square plus ab plus 2 plus a. You can write also this, but here look, maximum power is 2. Term also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but variable is not 3. Variable is a, b and a, but another variable is not there. So if we write here another variable c, then this will be the 5 term variable 3 and degree 2. Now what is coefficient?
Sir, will
Suppose
you please repeat?
5x square.
Sir, I haven't
5x square. Here x square is a variable. X is the variable and power. If my question is what will be the coefficient of x square, is equal to 5. Here 5 is the coefficient of x square. Now
Sir, will you
Yes,
please
ma'am.
repeat? I haven't understood the a plus b plus 2b square, how it is 5 term. Will you please say
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 term. 1, 2,
no,
3, 4, 5 term.
that is the a
Yes.
plus b plus 2b square.
Huh?
A plus b plus 2b square. That I haven't understood how it is 5.
Achha, you written a plus b plus. Tell me.
A plus b plus 2b square that you have written means
Where to be square? Yes, this is trinomial. Trinomial, 2 variable. Here trinomial 1, 2, 3. Trinomial. This. This is one term. This is one term, and this is one term. 3 term. Maximum degree is 2. How many variable? A and B. 2 variable are there. B and B square are different term but same variable. Okay. So next, monomial, binomial, trinomial.
In the a plus b plus 2b square, so it is 3 term,
Yes.
but you have written there 5 there. Term is equal to 5.
Where is the 5 time? 5 is I'm written.
There you see there degree 2 variable 3 term 5.
Sir, that is of another question, I think.
And this is the another question. This is the trinomial with 2 variable with degree 2. I'm written here. Okay. Next, coefficient, polynomial. Now, what is constant term? Constant term means fixed. 5, 6, 7,
The numeric term.
2, 5, 9, any constant term. That is any numeric term. Acha. What is like and unlike terms?
So that variable
Sir, A
are
and B
same.
can't be added.
Like fraction,
Yes.
ma'am, sir, like
Sir, A and 2B can't be added.
But
But
there is a question is 2a square and 3a square. So here the variables are same.
So
And
we
so
are
this is
adding.
called
In
like
this
term.
case, look, in this case, these are like terms. That's why we are adding. These A, B, we have B and 2B. These are like terms. That's why we can add. Okay. Now,
but A and
we
B
have
are
to-
not like term, unlike term.
A, B are not like unlike term, but these are like na. These are like A, B are unlike, but B and 2B these are like. Okay. Now I'm adding. How to addition? Suppose 5x square minus 7x plus 3. This is the term. you have to adding another, that is minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2, and another term add this and 7x square plus 2x minus 3. So we can add this by two method, row method and column
Column
method.
method.
We can add, those are talking so much. Please stop, because I'm teaching you first
Sir, I have a
time.
doubt.
So what?
Sir, you have to say that B and 2B are not means like term. B and 2B.
A and B, these are different.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, but you have told that B and 2B are not same. It means they are not
B
like.
and 2B are like term. I'm telling you, B and 2B are like term, but AB are not like term. Please listen carefully. Concentrate দাও পড়া, শোনো মন দিয়ে কি বলছি. We can add this by two method. One is row and two is column. So at first we are adding this by column method. At first you have to write 5x square minus 7x plus 3, and then another is minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2. We have to writing all the like terms below the like term. Write the all like terms in the same column. And then this is 7x square
Can you show the
plus
question?
2x minus 3. Now we are adding
The previous page, I have not written the question of where you have shown the degree and variable
Okay,
terms.
so here look, 3 plus 3 plus 2 minus 3. After adding this, 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Plus here 2 minus 7 minus 3, that is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 2, that is minus 8x. Here plus 5x square minus 5x square, 0 plus 7x square. So this will be 7x square, and this. This is the column method. Now another one is 5x square minus 7x plus 3 plus minus 5x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 7x square plus 2x minus 3. These are all
Row method.
row method. Now we have to adding all 5x square minus 5x square, all like terms in the same bracket, 7x square, then plus minus 7x minus 3x plus 2x, then 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancelled, this cancelled. So this will be 7x square, and this is minus 8x, this is 2. Both are same. Sometimes this is easy, sometimes this is easy. This is, you can solve any method. Now subtraction. So you have to subtract 4x square minus 3x plus 2 from 9x square plus 6x minus 4. So this from this, that means this minus this. So we are solving this by row method. This minus this is 9x square plus 6x minus 4 minus 4x square minus 1 is plus 3x minus plus minus 2. The sign will be changed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is 4x square minus 3, this is 5x
Yes,
square,
sir.
6x plus 3x, that is 9x, minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6. This is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
if
Yes,
on
sir.
questions that x cube by 3 x cube by 3 minus 3 by 4 x square plus 1 minus 8 by 5 x cube plus 2 by 3x plus 1. We have to subtract this by minus this. Now we have to adding same, this is the cube term, so this is cube term. You have to written first 8 by 3 minus 8 by 5 x cube minus, then plus minus 3 by 4 x square. No x square term is there. Now minus 2 by 3 x minus, then plus 1 minus 1 bracket. This is plus 1 and this is minus 1. 1 cancelled. Now the LCM will be 1 by 3 and 8 by 5. The LCM will be what?
15.
Very good. 15. 5. This is 5x cube minus 24x cube minus 3 by 4x square minus 2 by 3x plus 0, no need to write, and this is minus 19 by 15 x cube minus 3 by 4 x square minus 2 by 3 x. This is the answer. Okay, now you can see the example number 6a. There are so many problems. Okay, now I'm giving you one question. Find the perimeter of the, everyone, you can write this, or after this class I'm uploading this video on the YouTube. You can see the total video, and by seeing the video you can copy the sum in your copy. Okay, find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 3x square minus x plus 1, 9x square plus 1, minus 11x square plus x minus 2.
Can you move the
You can you solve the problem?
Sir, please.
Yes, sir. Only adding.
Yes, sir. There is only adding is the.
Yes,
Sir.
because we know that the perimeter means the sum of the,
Sir, in triangle, the sum of the sides. Boundary.
yes.
Can you show the last term?
Just find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are this, and you have to write the centimeter unit, and centimeter unit. We know that the perimeter means,
Sir, done.
very good, sum of sides. That is
Sir, done.
3x square minus x, very good, plus 1 plus 9x square plus 1 plus minus 11x square plus x minus 2. Now this is 3x square plus 9x
Done, sir.
square minus 11, very good, x square plus minus x plus 1 plus 1 minus 2.
স্যার ফুল কপিটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
আরে বাবা রোটেট করো না তোমার ফোনটাকে, বারবার বলা হচ্ছে ফোনটাকে রোটেট করতে, তাও বলে ফুল দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
The answer will be x square.
Sir,
This
minus x plus x 0 and 1 plus 1 minus 2 0.
So
Only
this
the
will be
first
only
one.
x square.
There will be 3x.
Yes, sir. Is the answer.
So it will
Yes.
be 12x square, and there is minus 11x square. So it will be subtracted, and the answer will be x square.
Okay, now I'm going to the next part, that is multiplication. What is multiplication? That is product of 2. Suppose x cube into x to the power 5. What happened after multiplying?
X to the power 8.
X to the power 8. Because of from the exponent x a to the power m into a to the power n. When the base are same, this is called base. When the base are same, the power are different. In that time, this will be m plus n. This will be m plus n. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the n plus n. Now a plus b into a minus b. What happened? This is one formula,
A
that is
square
a plus
minus
b
B
into
square.
everyone know that the formula a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. But how to represent this? And there also two kind of things are there. Two kind of methods are there. One is row and another one is column. Two row method and column method. Now we are multiplying that a plus b into a minus b. We are multiplying by column method. So this into this, a into a, that is a square, a into b plus ab. Look, this into this into this. Just we are moving like this, then this, then this. So a square plus ab, then b into this is minus ab minus b square. After multiplying b into minus b, now whenever we are adding this plus ab minus ab cancel, this is a square minus b square. When we are multiplying this by a method, key method, row method, then a plus b into a minus b. Look, in that time a into a minus b, this into whole plus b into whole, this a into whole plus this b into whole. Now a into a square, a into b minus ab, b into a plus ab, b into b minus b square. So this is cancelled, a square minus b square. Is it clear? Now I am giving you
Yes,
some
sir.
problem. There are some things is there that monomial into monomial, monomial into monomial, monomial into binomial, binomial into binomial, binomial into trinomial, trinomial into trinomial, like that. There are so many methods are there, but I'm teaching you just there are 6-point-B exercise, 6-point-C exercise, 6-point-D exercise are there, but I'm all are very easy. Don't be worried. I'm teaching you.
Sir, I have already completed all the exercises.
Okay, but I'm giving you, after completing this exercise, I'm giving you some different type problem. Okay, so look, suppose x square plus x minus 1 into x square plus x by x square minus x plus 1. You have to multiply this into this. So in that time, what is the method? Everyone clear, students? Those are not clear, those can't understand, please tell me that, sir, please repeat again, or sir, I can understand, I can't
Sir,
understand.
this answer is x square minus x minus 1 whole square.
Minus 1 whole square. Wait, look, I'm doing the sum, please. যারা যারা করে ফেলেছো তারা বেশি এত বেশি ফ্যাট করো না, আমাকে কমপ্লিট করতে দাও, দেন ওকে। Look, I can do this sum by first term of the first a. We can write this is x square, this is x square, then this is x square minus x plus 1. So we can multiply, this is x square minus x plus 1, this into this, again plus x, this is the second term, and this is the second trinomial term. This trinomial term should be multiplied with this, then x square minus x plus 1. This is method, this is row method, right? Yes. Now we are multiplying minus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Here x square into this plus x into this and then minus 1 into this, or you can multiply it another. This is the step 1, and you can multiply this x square, this into whole of this first trinomial, x square plus x minus 1. Again this is minus x into this whole, this is x square plus x minus 1, or this is 1 into x square plus x minus 1. Okay, but after multiplying these two, the answer remains same. I repeat, this is the trinomial term and this is the trinomial term. Now x square into this whole plus x into this whole and minus 1 into this whole, this is the first method, or this x square into this whole minus x into this whole and 1 into this whole. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Good. Now I'm multiplying the first, this x square into x square. What happened? X square into x square?
X to the power 4. X to the power 4.
Because power.
X to the power
Okay.
4, yes.
Four.
Plus
X square into x. This is
X to the power 3. Minus x to the power 3.
very good, because plus into minus is minus. Now x square into 1, this is x square. Now this is plus x cube. This is plus minus minus x square. This is plus x. Then minus x square plus x minus 1.
Minus 1.
Now this equal to x to the power 4. Now x cube term cancelled. X square term cancelled. Why?
Minus plus.
We know that
Both are additive inverse.
both are additive inverse. Very good.
And the value
Because
is
x
0.
square-
Sir, minus
Yes.
x cube, additive inverse is plus x cube, so it is then cut out.
Very good. Now this is x. This is x. Another minus x
2x.
square remain.
2x.
No, only minus x square term is alive right till now. So this should be written. Then x plus x. This is 2x,
2x. Minus 1.
and this is minus 1. So this is the answer. I'm doing this from the first statement. Now I'm doing this from the second one. Look, x square into x square, x to the power 4 plus x cube minus x square. This is minus x cube minus x plus 1, x cube minus plus minus x square minus plus x square plus x minus 1. Now look, here also this term cancelled, this term cancelled. So x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x minus 1. Are they same?
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Same.
can
sir.
multiply it. Very good. Now I'm giving you one problem. Everyone do the sum, and then I'm requesting to you one by one on your camera and show me the answer. Okay, x to the power. Okay, I'm doing one sum. After this sum, I'm giving you one question. X to the power 4 plus x cube minus x plus 1 into x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x minus 1. This is very big.
There is
Yes? This is hazy. Is the picture hazy?
No, sir,
Yes,
it is
yes.
very much clear. It is very much
Very
clear,
good.
sir.
Very good. So this one is the quad polynomial. This is biquad polynomial, or you can say 4-term polynomial. 4-term polynomial, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-term polynomial. So we are multiplying this, and in that time you have to concentrate and very slowly you have to calculation this. Then x to the power 4 into x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x minus 1 plus x cube into x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x minus 1. Then this term minus x into again x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x minus 1, and this is 1 plus 1 into x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x minus 1. I'm requesting to you that whenever this kind of things is there, then at first you have to taking the smallest term. This is fourth term, but if you choosing this is the first, then this into this into this into this into this, so you have to write 6 times. You have to write 6 times, but since this is the fourth term, so we are choosing this first. Then we have to multiply 4 times. The 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, is it clear? But if you choosing this is the first, then you have to write the 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this into this. For this into this into this into this into this into this. Right? Students, is it clear? Very good. Now we are going to multiply. This will be, everyone tell me one by one. This will be, first term will be
X to the power 9.
X to the power 9.
then
X to the power 8.
then
Minus x to the power 7.
Minus X to the power 7.
X to the power 6 plus x to the power 5.
X to the power 5. Minus x to the power 4.
then
Plus x to the power
Plus
7.
X to the power 7. Minus X.
Plus x to the power 4. Minus x to the power 3.
minus x to the power 5 minus plus x to the power 4 minus plus minus x cube minus x square plus x, right?
Yes, sir.
Then plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x minus 1. Now you have to cancel the term, which are the additive inverse. You have to choose in the term slowly. How? You have to find the term slowly. How? Slowly. Okay.
Then
Now,
x to the power 7 and say x to the power 7 and
so
plus
at first,
x to the power 7 get cut
the
off.
highest term, please write the highest term, x to the power 9. Then look, x to the power 8, x to the power 8 are 2 terms are there and they are same sign. So 2x to the power 8. Now x to the power 7, x to the power 7 cancelled.
They will be cancelled.
Now have any another x to the power 7 term?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Sir, then
Now x to the power
X to the
6.
power 6.
X to the power 6
Sir,
also
it will be
cancelled.
cancelled because there is the
And remaining
inverse
minus
of
x to the power 6.
Minus x to the power 6. Very good. Then x to the power 5 term. This x to the power 5. This is the x to the power 5 and this also
And
cancelled.
this. So plus x to the power 5 remaining, plus 2x square x to the power 5.
Very good. 2x to the power 5, 2. Then x to the power 4, x to the power 4 cancelled. This is x to the power 4, this also plus x to the power 4. So, yes, Pranjal, what happened? Pranjal, yes, tell me, Pranjal.
Sir,
2x to the power. Then x cube term. This is x cube term.
Sir, minus 3x to the power cube.
Acha, Pranjal, you tell me, Pranjal.
Sir, here it is. There is another x to the power 5. What can we do of that? It is not.
Look, here x to the this x to the power 5 and this x to the power 5 are live till now. Not cancelled, not die.
Because they are not additive inverse.
They are same sign, plus. So that's why we are adding 2x to the power 5. Now clear, Pranjal?
So it will be x is the power.
Yes, please,
Minus
sorry.
3x cube.
Wait, another student, please wait. Pranjal, you tell me. What about your queries, please? Pranjal?
Sir, I understood.
Understood? Okay, good. Whenever any one student asking me, other please be quiet. Okay, because this is not the offline class, this is the online class. If everyone shouted that this is not easier to understand, but listen to that particular student. So please, now look, now again, x to the power cube, x to the power cube, x to the power cube, 3x to the power cube are there, but all are key sign.
Minus sign.
So this will be minus 3x to the power cube. Then square term. This also plus square term, this also plus square term. So how many square term are there? Two square term are there. But this is plus and this is minus. This will be cancelled. Plus x plus x. This is 2x and minus 1 is that. Then this is the answer. Similarly, you can add this by row method, column method also. So write x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 minus x cube plus x square plus x minus 1. And then this is the x to the power 4 term. So write the x to the power 4. Then x cube plus x cube. Oh, sorry. This is multiplying. Yes. Then minus x plus 1. So this into this, this into this, this into this, you have to write the fourth term. But according to me, the row method is the better than the column method. And if you can solve this by this method, then choice yours. Okay, students, in the next class, I will discuss another problems, but in class 7, the division portion is not there. Only addition, subtraction and multiplication is connected in class 7, but I'll teach you the division. Okay, so everyone do the sum, 6 point A, 6 point B and 6 point C. Okay.
Sir, all?
Not all. Suppose from 6 point A, in number 1, anyone, any 3 question. Same type question you can ignore or very good. Okay, after, so listen everyone. From which exercise? 6A, 6B, 6C from the algebraic expression. And student, listen, in the next class I will give you some different type problem. Okay, and everyone. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please show the first page? Can you we have to do all.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you please repeat? And 60.
I'm giving you the exercise. What should you solve the in home marked? Suppose in 1 there are 10 questions. You solve 6 from 6A exercise. Suppose number 1 there are 10 10 problems in 1. So please solve from 6, 7, 8, 9. And 2 all 3, 4, 5 and 6 last 2. Okay, same type question you can ignore. Okay, in the next class I'll give you some questions from the okay student. Very good. Yes.
Sir, will you
Please repeat.
sir, will you send this video in YouTube?
Section 6, only 6A. Everyone do the sum all 6A. Okay. Bye students. Please leave the yes.
Sir, I have no book. First page.
Okay, if you have no book, then please try the all.
Which sum we have to do, sir? Sir, here.
Listen carefully, students. Please listen. Those have not book till now, please. Everyone see the copy. I am sending this copy after this class in your book. Okay, please leave the group. Leave the class, please.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, in the first page you have written degree 2. Sir, what degree means the power of the variable x square. So the 2 is the degree of the variable.
Sir, do you give any homework? Do you give any homework?
Sir gave homework of exercise 6A.
Exercise 6A. Okay.
Yes.
We have to do whole exercise.
6A whole exercise. Only 6A.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sir, we have
Please leave.
Thank you, sir.
to do. Sir,
Please leave. What happened, Aditri? আর পাখি ডাকছে আবার কার? Thank you, ma'am. Lux. Please left Lux. Lux Sharma, please. Yes. Can I leave, ma'am? Hello, ma'am, can I leave?
No, I want to talk to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is recording the video?
I'm
Of the
requesting any
online class?
one student that for recording the whole class for myself.
Why?
After this class, I want to listen my video that have any problem to talk any kind the sentence problem or not, and to improve myself by listening this class.
Don't you think you need the principal's permission?
For recording my class.
Yes. Already we
Okay,
are sending video.
today I'm mailing. Today I'm
If
mailing.
anyone records it outside, he can disclose it anywhere, na? Trust must be there. But still, I hope you seek permission from principal, ma'am. Okay?
Today I'm sending one mail.
Send.
Today I'll send.
Okay. Thank you.